Hey, Jeremy.
Hey, Gloriana, did you finish math yet?
No, oh my god, I swear, these hiccups will be the death of me. I haven't even concentrated ever since they started.
Sorry. Did you try drinking some water?
Yep.
Did you try biting a lemon yet?
What? I've never heard of that before.
Me neither. Google suggested it. Oh, did you try getting scared?
No, it's just me alone at the school.
I'm coming over now. Be prepared.
Don't try anything, Jeremy. Oh my god, Jeremy, you really got me too good. I thought you were someone else. I think you cured my hiccups now too. Jeremy, you can stop now. My hiccups are gone. Take off that ridiculous mask and come help me with my homework now.
Boom! Did I scare you?